Where are we, and how can you prove where we are? In school, we're taught that we're on a globe, right? We're on a round Earth. There's an outer space. The sun is 93 million miles away. The moon is 236,000 miles away. And we have all of these stories about space, like these comets and these asteroids, but we just never see anything. We have yet to see a real photo of this place. We are yet to see an accurate map of this place. But we're supposed to believe that we are just here floating through space. Okay, so 3 things off the back to let you know that everything that you were taught in school is a lie, especially in regards to this, is 1, water always finds its level. 2, you're able to see things that are supposed to be across the horizon, but you can see them in your view, and then the news always makes up an excuse about why you can see them. And number 3, when you do take a vehicle up in the sky, it's called an airplane, meaning that you are flying in the air over a plane, and when you are on the plane, it never takes a dip to account for the curvature of the earth. It just stays straight, and you can never get a flight route that takes you just in one straight line. It has to take several different stops so that you don't see that there is no curving taking place in your plane. Anyway, let's get to some proof. Side note, pause to read. Apparently this is the cure for cancer. Shout out to the guy on TikTok that posted this. All right, roll the footage. Okay, so this first video is more inquisitive minds shooting a rocket up to the firmament. You can see the rocket hit the firmament, and then you can see the sun and the moon spinning locally. Okay, this next video was posted by @DavidShane83 here on TikTok. Ask yourself, why is Saturn the only emoji besides Earth that you see on your phone? Why is it the only, chief star in the sky, the only luminary energy that you can see like the outline of, and every other of these planetary energies, they look like just vibrating balls of like electricity, like wavy electricity, like water. If Saturn is 746 million miles away, how could you see it so clear through a Walmart telescope, bruh? Anyway, roll the footage. Now, what was your soul saying? What was your intuition saying while watching that? Do you believe that to be real? Okay, so when you're in the car and you're driving, right, you're passing all of these locations, right? You don't see the same locations unless you're driving in a circle. Well, how come I see Orion's belt every night? You can see the Big Dipper every night, right? If we're hurling in space, we should see constellations like every day, new constellations every day, but yet we see the same ones every single night, which means we are at a red light, we are stagnant, we are not moving through space like we are taught. You can see that those stars clearly circle Polaris around the North Pole. They go around and around and around again, and versus going like in a straight line, like you're actually going through space. It's like, no, we're just circling, just like the sun and moon circles. But when you do happen to see, let's say like Chicago from Michigan, they'll gaslight you and tell you that it's a mirage. Watch.
I found this photo from Grandmere State Park. This is from Joshua Nowicki, and what you're seeing here is a mirage. We typically would not be able to see this from the Lake Michigan shore. We talked about this last night. Conditions are right on the lake that we're actually seeing a mirage of the Chicago skyline. Very interesting here. Here's what's happening. This is a good example of a superior mirage. So Joshua was on the Lake Michigan shore. He was looking towards the west, and Chicago's beyond the horizon. Should not be able to see it. However, with the right conditions, we have an inversion. We have cold air.
So you see, when you actually see something that proves flat Earth over the horizon, they tell you it's a mirage. And I'm not making this up. That was actually on TV. Where are we? Somebody help. But wait, that's not all. There's more.
Wonky for you. It comes from the other side of Lake Michigan. Now check out this picture. It's of the city lights that were taken last Thursday night in Muskegon, Michigan, some 70 miles away from Milwaukee. So why does Milwaukee look so close? Well, scientists have a name for it, but it's best explained as simply a mirage.
It is cool.
Yep, it's a mirage. I'm pretty sure this video is a mirage too. What? And I'm pretty sure when the US government shot rockets into the sky to try to blow up the firmament, that was a mirage too, right? Or was that Operation Fishbowl when they were trying to figure out how you get out of here? But listen, I'm sure it's normal, right? That's normal. Anyway, back to the original question. Where are we and how can you prove it? The truth remains stranger than fiction. Thanks for watching. I love y'all. Peace.
5D History School.